can you give us a joke? Can you give us a joke in English? Can you give us a joke?
Make them laugh.
Mana mwirigwe nari nyuze hano numva mu kuganira menya ko ari ntabwo mba mpanyuze.
Bro, what are you talking about? Make us laugh. Make us laugh.
Ure n'amacinya kabwera bwera. Uvuga ibintu ndi kumva we urambwira ubusa.
Dumba. What is he talking about? What this guy is talking about?
He said fuck you.
He say what?
He said fuck you.
He say fuck? Bro, that's what you say?
That's what he say.
Is that what you say? Bro, I'm 25. I'm 25 years old. You 70 plus, bro. I'll punch your face.
Come.
I'll punch your face. I'll punch your face, nigga.
Come.
I'll punch your face. Don't.
Come. I can wait to you. I can home.
Bro, I'll punch your face. What are you talking about?
Come. Dumba, give us the TV.
Come where? I can't take a flight right now. I'm in New York right now. I'm from America. I can't get a flight right now. But whenever I'm in
I understand. Dumba, help me.
You are very.
You don't know how to speak English.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't understand English.
Yo, listen.
Yeah. Tell him who am I.
How old are you?
I have 76 years old.
How many kids do you have? How many kids do you have? You look, bro. You look old. You look like my grandpa. Like, what the hell?
How many kids do you have?
I have 3 boys. 1 boy located from Iwawa, another boy kwa Kabuga, another Kasho Gereza. Tell him. And I have again 2 girls. 1 girl was gufungwa because of rumogi. Mumbwire ngo rumogi ni mu Cyongereza.
One girl is in prison because of smoking weed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Another girl was died.
Oh,
Another girl died.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have 10 uzukuru. Abuzukuru ni ngo ikimwa mu Cyongereza.
You have what?
10.
You have what?
Zukuru 10.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. What is that language? Are you speaking like?